Hey everyone, it's December and we have a very late video, but the game I wanted to try on Prime Gaming was Tiny Sticker Tale. So let's get into the review. Alright, this game actually came out 2 months ago, so relatively new. Got an 80 on the Switch reviews for Metacritic. The PC reviews was not there. You're looking about 2 to 3 hours of gameplay for this simple adventure game. If you watch my reviews before, I kind of like these shorter games for free. I feel like I can complete them, I'm not overwhelmed, and it's usually a good little wrap-up. Free game, kill a night, that's perfect. And that's where this game fits in. Graphics-wise, it's very childish, but very good, and I enjoyed the look of the game. It's very fun. So gameplay here is very unique. So everything is a sticker. So you'll do the intro and talk to this person. Then you'll move to the next square. So everything's kind of like old school Zelda. And there's an outline there. So you have to go back and pick up that person and stick them. So the game kind of teaches you everything's a sticker. And you can move things across different panels. And that's how you solve a lot of these puzzles. The puzzles are on the easier side. I would say the level of difficulty does match the look of the game. Not terribly hard, a lot of little exploring, but it was very fun. I enjoyed the puzzles and had a great time. Sound was kind of there, but nothing to call out special there. I do like the bad guy is a raccoon that has a sticker book like you, so kind of messes up stuff and causes chaos and blocks your path, and just have to figure out how to solve all these little puzzles. And they build on top of each other. You won't... The puzzles aren't linear per se. You'll go to different panels or sections and see a new puzzle come up, or a new person wants another item, and you kind of have to build the chain. So very interesting there. Overall, I did really enjoy this game. This was a pretty good free game to end the year. Did come out a little later in the month. But overall, I recommend this. The pro here is a good one-time setting to play the game. A good family game, so that's nice too, to sit on the couch and just move things around. The con here is the difficulty level. It is a little on the easier side, so if that's not something you're looking for, but I give it big plus on the innovative idea. I do like the stickers. You put everything in a sticker book to carry it along, so you don't carry a certain amount of stickers, so it's pretty good design, and overall I highly recommend this game. So that is it for this year in 2023. Oh, my favorite game. We had to change the whole review style. Amazon Prime, if you didn't know, changed their schedule. Instead of releasing all the games at the beginning of the month, pretty much releases a game at least once a week. So that was a big change here. My favorite game, it has to be still Knights of the Old Republic. I loved that game growing up, and to have that free was amazing and enjoyable. So overall, that was probably my favorite. Tiny Sticker Tale did stand out. I know this is recently on my mind, but that was a pretty good one too. Anyways, peace. See you in 2024.